Hi everyone, welcome to Spice Life. Today I am making black pepper chicken, which is very easy but tasty. Let's start. Alright, so these are the few ingredients that you need to make black pepper chicken. I have taken around 3 pounds of chicken and I have cut them in strips like this. And this is apple cider vinegar, but if you don't have apple cider vinegar, if you have regular white vinegar, that also works absolutely fine. I have taken around 2 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can use fresh garlic as well, or just crush them and add them into this chicken. You can take 3 to 4 cloves of garlic for this much of chicken, and I'll add 3 to 4 teaspoon of cornstarch in it, and black pepper I have taken little more than 3 teaspoon, salt and oil. That's all you need. So now let's mix everything together. So I have marinated the chicken with all the ingredients that I had showed you before. And if you have time, at least keep this marination for 15 minutes before you saute it. So take a pan. I have taken this kind of pan, but if you prefer non-stick, absolutely fine. I'll add a good amount of oil, and I won't deep fry it. It's just a saute. Let's see how I can do it. This diameter is big enough to add more chicken, and when I'll add chicken in it, chicken will have some room. That's the reason I have taken such a pan. So oil is hot enough. Now let's add the chicken one by one, like this. So it's the one side is almost done. I'm flipping over them. It is almost done. Now I'll take them out. So here is the finished black pepper chicken. A starter it is, as I said before. Enjoy your starter with your drink or just like that, and make it and let me know how you liked it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you some other time with a new video. Thank you.